Alrighty guys, I finally got this Jeep in the air. This is the one with the loud blah, 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 blah. Oh man, this thing is making some extremely loud noise.
Right here, go ahead. Okay.
Alright, y'all hear that? So now I got the daunting task of replacing this chain slap inside of it. I just hope it's not too bad. Of course, it's a transfer case. I'm gonna have front and rear differential. Shaft's gonna have to come out. Oh my goodness, guys, where's my new one? Here's my new one. And guys, it is Mopar, okay? Mopar or no car. None of that German stuff over here. Alright, yes, tiny, alright? Yeah, looks very small. Forget that. How hard will it be to replace? Alright guys, I got work to do. Wait a minute. Oops, 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 oops. Look at the oops right here, guys. I have to reposition this, guys. This bracket, all this stuff got to come off. JT, you such a ding-dong, oh my goodness. This is rubbing on here. So guys, let me let this down and fix this. I got work to do. Alrighty guys, real quick. I don't know why y'all out there sleeping on y'all services. This is a transfer case, ladies and gentlemen. If your car is equipped with four-wheel drive, you're going to have a transfer case or either a PTU, okay? That's just so you can transfer power to the front and the rear wheels. Now, it requires service, guys. In fact, this transfer case, here's the drain service port, here's the field. Now, what we're about to do is just that, service it. Now, take a look at this, guys. The fluid is nothing special, okay? Just typical ATF plus 4. Now, let's get this drain plug open. First of all, we're going to make sure the field plug will open, all right? Yeah, you don't want to open this and fill this up. Yeah, as simple as that, guys. That's all we're doing is draining the fluid. And I'm just going to fill it back into this hole right here until fluid come out. That's all. You see how easy that was? Stop sleeping on this, guys. In my opinion, every 50,000, between 40 and 50,000 miles, guys. All right? Y'all stay tuned for more.